Hello, safety warriors. I'm Radiant Rhea, and today we're diving into a crucial part of vehicle maintenance checking fluids, tire pressure, and lights. These simple checks can make a big difference in keeping your vehicle safe and efficient. Let's start with the different fluids you need to check. Engine oil keeps your engine running smoothly and cool. Coolant prevents the engine from overheating. Brake fluid ensures brakes work effectively. Power steering fluid makes steering smooth and easy. Here's how to check each component. For fluids, use the dipstick or the level indicator on the reservoir. Make sure the engine is cool when checking engine oil or coolant. For tire pressure, use a tire pressure gauge and match it with the recommended pressure in your vehicle manual. For lights, turn them on and check each light, from headlights to brake lights. Neglecting these checks can lead to serious problems. Low engine oil can cause engine damage, underinflated tires reduce fuel efficiency and control, and non-functioning lights increase accident risk. Regular checks are a small effort to avoid big problems. Here's a simple checklist you can use to keep your vehicle safe. Check fluid levels every 2 months. Ensure tire pressure matches the recommended level. Inspect lights once a month, especially before night driving. Great job, safety warriors! Regularly checking your vehicle's fluids, tire pressure, and lights keep it safe and efficient. Remember, these small checks make a big difference in your vehicle's performance and your safety on the road.